can never make me hate you. Even though what you was doing wasn't tasteful, even though you're out here looking so ungrateful, I'ma keep it moving, be classy and graceful. I told him it's no friends in the game, you ain't learned that yet. All the bridges you came over don't burn that yet. People want respect, but they ain't even earned that yet. I self-righteous and entitled, but they swear it on the Bible that they love you when they're really no different from all your rivals. But I still always death on them. I just reflect on them.
Pills and potions, we're overdosing. I'm angry, but I still love you. Pills and potions, we're overdosing. Can't stand it, but I still love you. I still love, I still love, I still love, I still love, I still love. I still love, I still love, I still love, I still love, I still love. I still love, I still love, I still love, I still love, I still love. I still love, I still love, I still love, I still love, I still love.
Yeah, people will love you and support you when it's beneficial. I'ma forgive, I won't forget that I'ma dead the issue. Soon as you're out of people's lives, when they start to miss you, they see you doing good now, it's kinda hard to ditch you. Yeah, they get sick when they remember all the bad that we should. People be mad when they can come and live lavish with you. But I spit off in a benzine. I see the envy when I'm causing a frenzy. Yes, so I pop pills for 'em. What? Cop cribs in the hills on 'em.